Imagine waking up and an entire town has vanished. No war, no warning, no trace. This is the story of Araromi Oke, a town between Oyo and Osun State. In the 1950s, it was alive. Children playing, farmers returning from field, the smell of fresh yam porridge drifting through the air. It was just another day, but that night, the town would enter history forever. Morning came. Traders arrived from nearby towns, but Araromi Oke was silent. Houses stood open. Pots of food sat untouched. Livestock wandered freely, but not a single soul was found. Search parties entered the forest and streams. Days turned into weeks, but they were nowhere to be found. No footprints, no sign of struggle. It was as if the earth itself swallowed the whole. Some say a deadly disease swept through, and the survivors fled overnight. Others whisper of an ancient curse, that the town offended powerful spirits. And then there are those who believe Araromi Oke simply walk into another world. Today, the land where Araromi Oke once stood is overgrown. Nature has claimed it back. But if you walk through, local says you can still hear faint voices in the wind. Araromi Oke, a town lost in a single night. A mystery still uncovered. A mystery still unanswered. And a reminder that in Africa, history is not just written in books, but in whispers carried by the wind.